In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Forms Pro in just 5 minutes. Are you looking to elevate your survey game with more advanced features? Microsoft Forms Pro is exactly what you need, offering enhanced capabilities for creating surveys, quizzes, and polls. Let's dive into how you can upgrade to Microsoft Forms Pro quickly and effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to head over to Microsoft Forms. If you're not already signed in, you're going to come across a sign-in page. This is your cue to click on the Sign In button. It's a straightforward process, ensuring that you're entering the Microsoft ecosystem securely. The next step involves entering your email address. Make sure it's the one associated with your Microsoft account, because it's key to accessing all Microsoft services, including Forms. After you've input your email, proceed by clicking on the Next button to forge ahead. Now it's time for a critical step, entering your password. This is an essential security measure to protect your account and all the data associated with it. Once you've carefully entered your password, you'll click on Next to move on. This step authenticates your credentials and grants you access to your account. At this point, you'll find yourself on the Forms dashboard. This dashboard is your command center for all things related to Microsoft Forms. It's here that you can create new forms, access your previous forms, and of course, upgrade to Microsoft Forms Pro. Look for the Go Premium button. Upgrading to Microsoft Forms Pro unlocks a plethora of advanced features that can enhance your ability to gather and analyze data. Clicking on Go Premium signifies your intent to upgrade and tap into those advanced capabilities. Now you're just one click away from securing Microsoft Forms Pro. Hit the Buy Now button. This action takes you to the purchasing section, where you can finalize your upgrade by completing the transaction. Throughout this process, there are a couple of things to remember. Ensure your internet connection is stable to avoid any disruptions, and double check your account details during the login process to prevent any login issues. Upgrading to Microsoft Forms Pro not only enhances your data collection and analysis capabilities, but it also signals your commitment to leveraging advanced tools for your projects, surveys, and quizzes. Remember, whether you're collecting feedback, researching, or even gathering registrations for an event, Microsoft Forms Pro offers a powerful yet user-friendly platform to streamline your efforts and gather insights efficiently. That wraps up our guide on how to get Microsoft Forms Pro in about 5 minutes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Let's elevate your data collection game together with Microsoft Forms Pro.